Well, this is the progress so far. Looks to me like I finally finished the door to my satisfaction here. And I get to be the first one to say that because my trailer, for crying out loud, it looks like lipstick on a pig. Hello, Scooter. She's inspecting it right now, too. Finally cleaned it all up, polished it up, rebuilt the panels, or actually reimagined the panels, because this is nothing like what the photos online say. This is sealed in board. And what this is right here is a simple, cheap $29 shed transom window, which is turned on its side, and it used to have aluminum bars right there. You can probably see them in any number of websites right there. So, and then I added obviously some foo-fooery like that, but I kind of like it. And anybody who knows me probably doesn't have to have this explained to them that this is Jonathan Livingston Seagull. And then I used some crystals to build the Big Dipper and the Little Dipper, just for, you know, the whole traveler theme and discovery and yada yada yada. So it sure has shined up really well, and it's, you know, fairly sturdy, if I do say so myself. I had to completely take this apart, strip the paint and the filth and the nastiness out of it, and reset it and rebuild the hasp that goes on the back, because a commercial hasp wouldn't work. So, dun dun dun. Ooh, bling bling bling. Yeah, I am normally a stained glass kind of a snob. I've done stained glass, I've done furnace glass, I've done lampwork glass, pretty much any kind of hot glass work you can think of. But this is glass paint. It's fake stained glass. I figure it'll kind of work like a screen protector for a cell phone, and it won't add all the weight that regular stained glass would, and give a little bit of privacy too. So I mean, it's not ideal, but I think, you know, a lot of compromises are going to have to be necessary for this. So that's using the creativity that most people have been born with and need to cultivate. So I'm glad I got this going as a confidence booster to get myself ready for the bigger, more structural projects, excuse me, and groove on this for a while. There we go. So hopefully that's inspiring and helps people out to understand what I want to do with this thing here, and thank you for watching.